French is wild. Look what I started! A podcast? Alicia Keys? Nice. Look at all these freaking Surons. This is crazy. Whew. Bikes on bikes on bikes. On bikes on bikes. We got Miles chilling over here, but what's up, guys? It's day 2. It's Friday here in Tampa. This Airbnb is just like perpetually a meetup spot for everyone to work on their bikes and shit. But right now, we're gonna work on the Razor. We're going to put on new brakes and the chain kit just for Tampa, just because I want some extra torque right now. So we're gonna do bike work. That Razor kid putting on new pegs just so he can loop later on tonight during the ride. Dude, look at this first class service from that Razor kid. Getting me right. Chain and brakes back on with a little help from that Razor kid and big tie stunts. Miles didn't really help, but it's all good. Let's go test this thing though. Maybe we'll ride it at one of the rides. Yo guys, what is going on? Thank you for checking out the video. Today was the first official ride of the Suron MEGARIDE in Tampa. Oh my God, that was scary. We put the Maguras back on the bike. We put a chain back on the bike, as you saw in the video earlier. But we're gonna ride the Razor tonight and see how it goes. So I'm excited. You know, some of us don't need a big bike to compensate for something that's small.
Yeah, that's not what my mom said.
Yeah, well, I talked to your mom last night. All right, headed to the meetup spot. We got one-way miles on the Razor. Ready? No wheelies on the way to the meetup. We gotta try our best to preserve battery. Whew, and pulling up to the meetup spot. That's right. We got Frenchie talking shit in the back. Ooh. You saw it. All right, now you do one. Frenchie's wild. Aston Martin. We got that Razor kid here, finally back. He skipped the last MEGARIDE in Austin, but here he is in Tampa. Yeah, oh, that kid knows me, I guess. Oh, here we go. Here's all the people. Big ass pack. Hey, make sure you're paying attention. What are you listening to? A podcast? Alicia Keys? Yeah. Nice. Apple Music or Spotify? Apple. Okay. Who was your most listened to artist? Sheesh, look at that, baby. We got everyone out. Oh, and a freaking jet ski flying there. Hey, what's up? I pulled out the Razor today. Oh, that could have been bad. Just chilling. There he is. There's Miles. We had lost him before. And that Razor kid. Oh, Razor kid hitting a hand drag. It's a Razor, fool. Missed that. D's nuts. Already? Hey, buddy, what's up? Do you guys ride today?
Yeah. Yeah, we rode for a little bit this morning, then we went and kind of just drove around, got some food.
Yesterday, this kid's bike was stuck in a bush. Literally. To the front, to the front. Yo, Matt. I'm on the Razor today, yes, sir. Oh, shit. Full PK sending it, damn. Stark bar. Oh, look at that mini truck. Woo! Hey, buddy. Damn, so we got 1, 2, 3 Stark Bogs at the MEGARIDE. That's dope.
This isn't like the official Mega Ride, but you know, basically the whole weekend's the Mega Ride. You talking to your camera? What? You talking to the camera?
There it is. Let's try it.
We got Zilly right here. Everybody's outside. Woo! The Stark work. What's up? That was good.
Nah, my boat is closed.
Look what I started! Oh my god, I'm getting hit with fucking shit. Dude, I was getting hit with pieces of rubber. What did I start? I know. Oh, my bad, bro. Well, I got fucking karma because I just got it from the Stark Varg in front of me. Yeah. Wow, I really went through that, huh? Woo. Ooh, we're flying. There you go, hitting the hand drag. Ooh-wee. These rides are just too damn fun, guys. I think at every Mega Ride I haven't had a front brake on the Razor, legit. So whack. I'm trying not to use up all my rear pads though. Come on! This thing is so much easier to float than the Talaria. Woo! Yes, sir. Let's go. That thing is loud. Tighten your belt, fool. Look at all these freaking Surons. This is crazy. Everyone outside. Matty,
Yes, sir.
what's good, bro? How you doing? I'm glad you made it in, bro. How are you doing? Love the Starks out here, dude. Just send it. Oh! Fuck.
Good? Did he drop that?
Yeah, it fell off. How you feeling, bro? I got you on the clip with that. You were right in front of me. Big time? Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, my brakes are feeling a little squishy. Let's see something. Yeah. Woo. Stock powertrain, by the way. No battery or controller. This kid is crazy good. Wild. Kid is fucking wild. Oh my god. Woo. Yo, Razor, let's go. Oh yeah, same plastics and all. What you got on there?
For the Dragon?
No, just for the kit.
The electro coke kit.
Oh, hell yeah.
Well, I had it for like 2 years now.
Oh, let's go. Oh, so you had it for a minute.
So
Yeah.
speed on it, like I only do wheelies on it.
Yeah, let's go. That's hype. Yeah, I beat the shit out of my kid and it fucking lasts forever, so.
We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready?
Are you riding or hiding? Yo, I'm riding. I'm not hiding.
Also, nigga.
Let's go.
Mentally feel like Kobe, I'm like Jokic with the rock. You physically couldn't hold me, I don't care if you push it 40. You can never little bro me. You're a fit like you know me from young OG.
Yeah. Oh, come on.
From no G's to 4 C's.
Yay! Alright, I'm gonna do one now. Guys, I'd be lying if I was saying I wasn't a little sore right now. What are you watching, Avatar?
So Dirk. Music video.
What's good, bro? Dude, good. I thought that was you. I saw your dad. I'm like, where is he at? Yo, Tyrone. What's good, bro? How we doing? I knew it was you.
You have to appreciate it.
That went in my mouth. KG Rallo. Woo! Oh shit! Even better in person. I'm like, oh hey there. There you go, Kyle. Oh, I saw that. I saw that. Hey, what's up? How's your battery?
I'm at 40%.
With you, that's good.
That's good?
Yeah. Yeah, dude. I don't think this ride's gonna be that much longer. Woo! And we might go back out, I think. I'm not sure yet, but that's gonna end the Friday ride video. It was a lot of fun. Got back out on the Razor. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Tomorrow, you get to see the Saturday. Woo! And we are comfy on this again, but I'll catch you next time, guys. Stay tuned. Whatever else I say. Peace.